Today you are going to do an activity working on your main idea and supportive detail skills. The first thing you're going to do is click on the link. The link is going to bring you to this screen that you see here. It is a reading detective main idea quiz. And at the end, you're going to check your answers, and anything that you did not get correct, please hit the review again button and correct your answers and see why you missed it. One of the strategies is always learning from your mistakes. The second part of your main idea and supportive detail assignment is going to be a nonfiction passage. Each day the passage might cover a different topic, but the instructions and directions basically work the same. This passage is on the wonders of water. You will read your passage and then read the directions. It tells you use a red crayon to underline the main idea. And remember, the main idea is usually the first sentence in the paragraph or the last sentence in the paragraph. Your blue crayon is going to be used to underline the supporting details. So then they ask you to complete the web by adding the main idea and at least 3 supportive details. You are not making this up. These boxes are using the sentences from the passage. So you reread it. Sometimes you might need to read it 2 or 3 times. And make sure that you are picking supporting details, support what you are saying in the main idea. So this is a 2-part sheet. The first one, you're going to underline the main idea with your red crayon. The second, you're going to underline the supportive details with your blue crayon. The second part of the directions is to write the main idea and the complete sentence in the box, and then use your 3 complete sentences supporting the main idea. I went ahead and did this worksheet myself, and your final product should look something like this. The main idea was water plays an important part of our lives and our environment. A supportive detail is we cannot survive without water to drink. Plants and trees would not grow, and without water we would not have precipitation on earth. I simply transferred those sentences into the appropriate boxes. Now, there might be some more supportive details, but you have to be careful. You're not listing facts on the topic. For example, if you read this main idea, water plays an important part in our lives and in our environment, the next sentence says it nearly covers 3/4 of the Earth's surface. Well, that is an important fact, but that does not support the main idea of why it's important in our lives. However, I see another one that I could underline, and it says people also need water to wash, cook, and grow food. That does support the main idea of why water is important to us, because without it we could not bathe, we could not cook, and we could not grow foods. So just always make sure your main idea is the topic of the passage, and your supportive details are proving the main idea, proving and supporting your main idea. All right, well, do your very, very best and apply all the strategies to today's assignment. Good luck.